this is feedback for Retaj on IC1 essay. Generally pretty good. Just a few things to fix. VT means verb tense, so this is the wrong verb form. So check that. Check these two words together. Here, WWF, this means wrong word form. So you put the word ing at the end. Maybe it should be ed. Maybe it should be nothing. Maybe it should be to interest. So figure out which word is supposed to, how that's supposed to go. Also, in the body paragraph, in the second body paragraph down here, WW means wrong word. You go consequently as a transition here, but this shouldn't be, because you're not giving a result because you haven't said anything yet. So you're making a point. So you need to give a transition that makes a point. Here you wrote, we have to take care of their health. Again, informal, saying we, and then also saying, this is like advice. So this is something that would probably be better in the conclusion. Wrong word. Here I'm asking, is this related? It also will less their talk. Like, how is that related to damage their health? If it makes them talk less. Result in less communication. How is that related to health? So you need to make sure that your point and your examples are connected to your topic sentence. So that needs to be changed and fixed. SP means you spelled it wrong. Down here in the conclusion, I thought you did a pretty good job. So make those changes, upload into port 1 week 9.